everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel EXPONENT. My name is Yashika. So today in this video I will be discussing about the Banking Law Amendment Bill which was proposed on 9th of August 2024 in Lok Sabha. So this bill is going to amend various acts such as RBI Act, SBI Act, Banking Regulation Act and Banking Companies Act. So let's discuss in detail some of the significant amendments. First amendment is for all the deposit holders, right? See, for example, if you go to a bank to open a bank account and deposit money, so the bank will ask to give you a nominee, right? Nominee is a person who will have access to all your deposits in money or the locker facility which you have taken in case of your death, right? So this bill proposes to amend and it says that instead of one nominee there should be 4 nominees and it can be in succession, right? So if you go to bank, right, so bank will now tell to give name of 4 nominees and you can decide the order also. For example, first nominee, suppose you give A, right, person A, right? So if this person A dies, then second turn comes of B, third and fourth. So this you can decide the order of the nominees also. So this is a major change that has been happening in this bill. So instead of one you can give 4 nominees and that way you can decide the order of the nominees, right? Okay, so this change has been brought to solve the problem of unclaimed deposits that has been increasing in banks and also to give the flexibility to the deposit holders. Second amendment is of the unclaimed shares, dividend and bonus payment. See, for example, your father or great grandfather had purchased some shares, right? And in his account, there is no transaction that is happening since last 7 years. So this is termed as unclaimed, right? So this unclaimed shares or dividends or bonus payment will be transferred to an account that is called as Investment, Education and Protection Fund, IEPF, right? So this unclaimed shares or dividend will be transferred to this account according to this amended bill, and you can easily get access to that unclaimed share. You can settle that shares or dividend easily through, there's a process. I will be discussing that process later in my videos, right? So it has become very easy to settle that unclaimed. You can easily get access to that unclaimed shares or dividend of your father or grandfathers, right? Okay, the third change that has been proposed in this bill is about the remuneration of the auditor. So first, previously the remuneration of the statutory auditor was decided by RBI, but this bill proposes that the bank should be given the right to decide the remuneration of the statutory auditor. This has been done to increase to the quality of the audit, right? Okay. Coming to the next amendment, that is redefining the statutory interest, redefining the definition of statutory interest that has been given in Companies Act. So this is for the bank directors. So there is a threshold when the director is term called as he has that interest in the company, statutory interest in the company. So the threshold limit was 5 lakh and this limit was long back decided in the year 1968, which has been proposed to amend now, and the threshold limit will be increased from 5 lakh to 2 crores rupees. So this way this is basically redefining the statutory interest कि कब डायरेक्टर को ये बोला जाएगा कि वो उसका statutory interest है उस कंपनी में, right? Okay, next and the very important again amendment is about the reporting. So the banks have to report various banks have to do various reporting to the RBI. So first previously before this bill it was the reporting was done on specific Fridays, right, second and fourth Fridays, but now this has been changed from Fridays to 15th and 30th of the month, right? This has been done so that there is uniformity along all the banks, right? So this was the major amendments. This was done in the interest of deposit holders, in the interest of investors, in the interest of auditors, to increase the auditing quality, to solve the problem of unclaimed shares dividend, plus to solve the problems of the deposits that has been lying in the banks, right? Plus, as we have seen, the deposits are growing at a very slower rate. So this bill has, it has advised the banks to focus on all the core activities and suggest various strategies to increase the deposits in the banking sector. So I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.